Don't break their spirit. Colossians chapter 3:21. Good morning, family. See, the Apostle Paul gives a very short command in Colossians 3:21, but it carries a very deep weight. He says, "Fathers, provoke not your children to anger, lest they be discouraged." At first glance, it sounds like simple parenting advice, but when you look deeper, it is a warning about something serious. See, you can correct a child, but you still crush their spirit. The words provoke means to constantly irritate, to push, to nag, or to frustrate. See, friends, the word discourage means to lose heart, to feel like giving up inside. So Paul is saying, be careful, because the way you lead can either build a child or break them. Think about it. A child who is always yelled at, a student who is always corrected but never praised, a young person who feels like they can never get it right. See, eventually they stop trying, not because they are lazy, but because their spirit is wounded. Friends, the Bible says it in Proverbs that a wounded spirit, who can bear it? And this is where Christ comes in. Jesus never led like that. He corrected, but with compassion. He rebuked, but with love. He saw potential even in failure. And that's the model we are called to follow. Even Ellen G. White reminds us that children are to be guided, not crushed. Their hearts must be won, not forced. So today, here's a challenge. Are we building hearts or are we breaking them? Are our words lifting or drafting the spirit of those we lead? Because in the end, people grow best where they feel loved, not where they feel feared. Let us lead like Christ, firm in truth, but gentle in spirit, because one word can shape a future, and one attitude can either ignite a life or silence it. God bless.